These are the stuffs for preparation: glue gun, DC 12-volt adapter, paper glue, awl, pencil, shrink tube, lighter, tape, A4 box, fan grill, 12-volt fan, ruler, cutter, car air filter. The car air filter must be smaller than the box. First, prepare the box. Because I don't like the design of the box, I want to make it inside out. Also, unfolding the box makes the hole cutting easy. Let's make a square hole for the filter. The filter hole must be smaller than the filter to lower the air leak. Since the shapes of car air filters are different, you must consider the hole size before you cut it out. If you have a plan of a filter, you can print and use. I stick the figure of filters on the box and make a filter hole by cutting the lines. And make a fan hole on the top of the box or the cap. In order to lower the air leak, use the foam tapes. This is optional because the car air filter shapes are different. Now construct the box by using glue gun. And lay the glue at the corners of the box. Also, make the cap as you did. It is time to assemble the fan and the fan grill. Make holes with awl and attach them with screws. Prepare the DC 12-volt adapter and make a hole for the cable. Insert the cable and make a knot to prevent damage. Connect the fan and power cable, and use the shrink tube to avoid short circuit. Lay the glue on the cable nut and the hole. Place the filter in the right position and cover the top. Plug in the power and test the fan blowing. Enjoy the clean air.